1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Out!
Take charge!
I gotta maneuver. Are you ready? Wanted the pressure, I never complain. Shake it off and get back in the game. Pay the cost, now you making your name. You can maneuver, move around. Now they ready for war, they ready for change. Head down, gotta stay in your lane. Keep calm when the energy change. On the down, gotta stop, maneuver. Yeah, I gotta maneuver.
Okay, okay.
Are we giving it all or nothing? See, the people are ready for something. Get the vision, I'm doing it justice. I gotta maneuver.
Sulmam, call sir. Party Naval U, Bravo Company Commander. Permission to enter the Miss Sulmam, sir.
Enter!
Charlie Company, last one in, mom, sir.
O, 10 counts. Dapat ubos na yan ha. 10, 9, 8.
The resilient individuals of the Fire Basic Recruit Course plus number 2024-125, welcome to a defining moment in your journey. As you embark on this rigorous training, may today's reception mark the start of a transformative experience. Embrace the challenges, support one another, and let the flames of passion for service guide you through this remarkable chapter.
The role of a firefighter is not merely about extinguishing flames. It's about selflessness, bravery, and compassion. It's about putting the safety and well-being of others above oneself, often in the face of danger and adversity. As you stand on the brink of joining the ranks of our firefighting force, I urge you to carry forward the values of integrity, courage, and teamwork that defines this noble profession. As you embark on this new chapter of your journey, remember that learning never stops.
as we gather here today, we are celebrating your commitment to excellence, your dedication to service, and your willingness to put your lives on the line to protect others.
Remember, hindi lang kayo Bravo, hindi lang kayo Charlie, hindi lang yan sila Alpha, kundi titingnan nyo na ngayon yan is yung panatagan. As a whole class, not as a single trainee, as a whole class.
Class Panatagan, I commend you for your unwavering commitment, dedication, and resilience throughout this rigorous training program. You have undergone extensive preparation, both physically and mentally, to equip yourselves with the skills and knowledge necessary to serve and protect our community in times of crisis. Your determination and perseverance have truly been commendable, and today, we gather to celebrate your achievements. It is with great pleasure and honor that I stand before you today to extend a warm welcome to everyone gathered here for the recognition rights of FBRC 2024-125 of Class Panatagan. Today marks a significant milestone in the journey of these remarkable individuals who have dedicated themselves to the noble profession of firefighting.
They gon' remember it, how I came out of the deficit. Man, I came far like a javelin, with a brave heart and a remnant. God, don't relish it. On my nights and days, I would never have them write my page, cause it's written in the stars, look at what I made. But really how much I gave, it's up now, Remember my name, cause it's time for a change. Yeah, what people gon' tell me, I'm knowing the game. I walk in and nothing the same, I'm nothing to play with. Eyes full of amazement, it's the wave I came with. They gon' look in the crowd and see what they found. Me, a statement, yeah, they gon' remember my name. They gon' remember my name. I didn't come for games. They gon' remember my name. They gon' remember my name. Say I didn't come for games. They gon' remember my name. Man, I've been up from a pup. Victory, all I should know for real.
Acquire all the learnings, all the experiences, work experiences especially. Marami kayong matututunan outside of the classroom. Sa mga boss nyo, sa mga kasama nyo sa opisina, marami kayong matututunan.
Thank you for your service. Thank you for your commitment. Stay safe. Stay strong.
Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Nandito po tayo sa NFDI Sultan Kudarat Satellite Campus. Record na? No. Happy ni me. Ito pa po.